Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to crochet these adorable little mini puff flowers. They're super quick to make, beginner friendly, and you can use them in so many ways. Decorate bags, hair clips, clothes, blankets, or even make a bunch and turn them into a garland. So grab your yarn and hook and let's crochet some cuteness together. For this project, you'll need a small amount of cotton yarn, any color you love, a crochet hook that matches your yarn. I'm using a 1mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors. That's it. Super simple. Let's get started. First, we'll make a magic ring. This keeps the center of your flower nice and tight. Wrap the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain one, and you're ready to crochet into the ring. Now for each petal, we'll crochet a puff stitch. Chain two, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop. Do this 4 times so you have lots of loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through all loops at once. To secure the puff, chain 2. That's 1 petal done. Repeat this until you have 5 or 6 petals, depending on how full you want your flower to look. When you have all your puff petals, pull the tail of your magic ring tight to close up the center. Slip stitch to the top of your first puff to join. Fasten off, cut your yarn. Your tiny puff flower is done. Look how cute it is. You can sew these onto headbands, hats, or bags, string them into a garland for party decor, or even attach them to hairpins for adorable accessories. These are also perfect stash busters. You can use up all your leftover yarn bits in rainbow colors. Thanks so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed making these mini puff flowers. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my new crochet videos. And let me know in the comments how you're going to use your mini puff flowers. I'd love to hear your ideas. Happy crocheting! Bye!